This is a Tangle tutorial on Tripoli. We did this in the live tonight. It starts with a triangle, and then I turn the tile and aura one of the sides of the triangle and create another triangle from that. And I do that all the way around in a circle. Sometimes it can be 6 triangles, 7, less, more, different sizes. There's no rule, there's no rhyme or reason. I begin all of my tangles with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, my breath, family, whatever it is that I'm grateful for. I take some really good inhale breaths, and on the inhale, I breathe in everything that's amazing, that brings me joy, that I'm grateful for. On the exhale, I get rid of all the things that don't serve me right now, all the worries of the day, fears, all those things, I just let them go. When I'm doing that exhale, I bring my shoulders down, relax them, and I just start drawing these triangles. Now, once I get this circle, I go ahead and draw a triangle across from one of them. And then you just go from there and create your own pattern of any kind. So I just kept going and going and going. Then I found a center circle of triangles and did crescent moon. So I began with the ladybug part of crescent moon and filled that in solid and then aura'd it once. And I do this in a circle of triangles. I think there was 6 triangles here. At first I left a little white spot for shine, and I end up inking over that because I really didn't care for it. And I aura all the way around. Then as I looked at it more, I thought, why, I'm just going to aura over and over again until these triangles in a circle are full. And you'll see what I'm talking about here. And I just breathe, light with the pen, light with the pressure, unclench your jaw, tongue off the roof of your mouth, don't bite the inside of your cheek, breathe, and see, I just aura the whole triangle. So it's a continuous crescent moon, okay? And then with the Tripoli triangles that are left, I do a little crescent moon in each corner and aura it once. And I do this for all of those. So I sped this up to see what it looks like so that you could see what it looks like when they're all done like this. And then I get graphite out, so any pencil. And when it comes to tangling, you can use any pencil, any paper, any pen. Shading is a preference based on what you like. So with this center one, all I did was put some graphite on one side of the aura'd lines of the crescent moon that's in this circle. The rest of the Tripoli triangles, what I did was I just put a little bit of graphite in between where the crescent moons are in the corners. Then I decided to aura the whole thing and then shade that. I love how it turned out. Have fun with this, be creative, enjoy it. Another one.